This is the WORX 40 volt, I said 40 volt Hydroshot. Let's get this tool out of the box and into the yard. All WORX tools come with an owner's manual and warranty card. Take some time, fill it out. You get the tool. You get the long lance. The nozzle is built into the short lance, and once it's put together, you can find the right setting for the right application. You get the 40 volt battery and the battery charger. Charge it up before use. You get a 20-foot hose. It's a quick snap on and off. You can connect a water hose, but when you need to get to the end of the yard, or you're using those on your RV or your boat or your off-road bikes, or even those flowers down by the mailbox, it's great just to use a bucket. I sent this one over to a friend who runs a small farm camp. There are many things she wants her young campers to learn to do, but sometimes a high pressure washer is not safe for them. So the Hydroshot came in handy. But wait, there's more. Always love saying that. What if you take a stencil and you place it on a dirty road or on some rocks around the camp and let the campers make art?
We had no idea the Hydroshot would become a program piece here at my farm camps. It's fabulous. And you know what? Kids can do it. It's easy, it's simple, and you know what? It's outdoors and it's so fun. We love the Hydroshot here. Thanks for letting us use it.
WORX Hydroshot. It's a great tool and it's an awesome paintbrush. Hey, I recommend it. If you've enjoyed watching this video, let us know. Thanks for using WORX tools.